Hello everyone. In today's video, we are gonna make a cute bottle warmer. Let's get started. This is quilted cotton for warmer inner. Measure the length, circumference, and bottom circumference of the bottle. Size will be various, and seam allowance is 1/2 inches. Mine is 11 by 7 inches tall for inner body. Cut the outer body fabric 2 inches taller. You need 2 bottoms, inner, and 2 inches taller outer. And also need 1 inch shorter circumference by 1.5 inches wide panel for casing. So my casing will be 10 by 1.5 inches and 1 inch wide panel for string. I'm gonna fold and sew about 1/4 inches on each side like this. First, I'm gonna sew both ends where the string goes in and out. Attach the casing 2 inches from the top like this. Sew the bottom and the body. When stitching curve and straight line, it is easy to sew with the curved part on top. Sew the sides. Cut or notch the outer part of the bottom to avoid wrinkles. Let's move on to inner part of warmer. Sew the bottom and inner body. Sew the side, leaving about 3 inches opening. Align the outer seam allowance with the inner seam allowance and insert. And sew the edges of each together. Sew each seam allowance together like this so it doesn't stick out. Turn the outer inside out through the opening. Finish with hand stitching. Do top stitch this part. This is 1 inch wide panel for string. Fold both sides and fold again in the middle. And sew. Put the string into the casing. Here comes a friend. Decorate with bow ties. Thank you for watching.